So far, all the videos I've taken have been pretty darn quiet, which is not normal. This is the noises we make while we nurse and after we nurse, and when we pass out on a nipple and we fall asleep and just groan and mew out of contentment. There's the fire hydrant, or the fire siren, or police siren, I don't know. Or imitation of a ghost, or a windy day. And then we just have the general mewing. Nobody's going to oblige us with the howler monkey scream. We'll save that for a separate video. Horshies? Here she goes, what are you doing with the camera? Don't take my babies away again. We're done, baby. No more dew claws.